Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about writing data to the RFID card. In the previous videos, we looked at the memory map of the RFID card, and we also looked at how we can do access control using RFID card. In today's video, we are writing data to the card. Data like Kasongo or the RFID card. And later, we read the data written to the card in order to be sure that writing to the card has been successful. Let's get started. We have here the wiring diagram. We have the RFID reader connected to the microcontroller. That's the same circuit we have here. The RFID reader is connected to the microcontroller using SPI, Serial Peripheral Interface. Here is the code. Remember, you can find this code at the Benax-RW GitHub account. Let's upload the code to the microcontroller. The code is uploaded to the microcontroller, and let's bring the card to the proximity. It says it's ready. Let's write data like Kasongo ending with hash and then enter. Data saved as Kasongo. Now, to be sure that data is written, let's try to read. We have the code for reading. We wrote data to block 4. So let's read from block number 4. Let's upload this code. Successful. Bringing the card close. Checking. Okay, so we read data from the card and it's Kasongo. That was all for today. Until the next video. Bye.